how to deposit money from Prizepicks to your bank account. You want to open up the browser on your phone, and here I've just go search for deposit money from Prizepicks. Now you don't want to select this first article, you will instead open up the second one, which is withdrawing funds. That's what you're trying to do. So here it's going to tell us that you can request a withdrawal to any bank account or whatever you have used to previously deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. To request a withdrawal, you gotta navigate to the menu located in the top left corner of the Prizepicks app, so top left, or if you're using the browser, top right. Then from here you can select request withdrawal. You will then receive a one-time password code by email as soon as you request your withdrawal, and no further action is needed on your part. They will send you an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. So that's how you do it. That's how you deposit money from Prizepicks into your bank account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.